Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to apply material. So as example, I will create rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to apply material into this object, you can select all objects first and then you can go to materials menu. Okay, in here we have a lot of options, like example I will use wood material and you can click the material or you can click again in the objects to apply. That's it. To change size, you can go to edit and then you can change at this point. Like I will set into 1000. That will be automatically small, make small. Set it again into 500. This is for 500. Then you can click outside or you can click these icons and then click again in here. So that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial, how to apply material. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.